Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing jumbo soft locks, and you are going to start by parting your hair into like really big partings, and then you start two strand twisting them. So you do this continuously all over your head. So I've got my hair in twists, and like as you can see, they are like very big twists. I don't want I prefer my locks to look a lot natural, so I'm going to count the number of twists I have on right now, and then I'll tell you. I have about 28 to 30 twists. I didn't count it properly, but I've got about 20 to 30 twists on. The last set of locks that I did, I braided my hair, and I noticed that when I braid my hair, my moisture doesn't enter properly, and my hair breaks a lot when it's in braids. When I braid my hair, just like that. So I'm going to go in with twists. You can see the root of my hair is not properly picked because I don't want it to be tight. It's a protective hairstyle, so protective hairstyles are meant to protect. So we're not going to need a lot of materials for this particular hairstyle because it's like really easy and something that you can do, except you want like really tiny locks. So in that case, you're going to need like a lot more. But for the locks, we are going to use this hair kinky extension, Kanikalon Japanese fiber kinky extension. That's what it is. So you can use any brand. There's no like specific brand, but the particular one that I used for the previous one and for this one, and like it's really good, is the rosemary kinky extension. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and you're going to need 2 packs. I'm actually not sure if I'm going to need the whole 2, depending on like how thick you want it, and I want it to be pretty thick, so I'm going to use 2 packs. So I've got 2 packs of extension, then shea butter. This I used like when I was twisting this and this. The eco styling gel. This, when after parting my hair, I use this to like slick it down, to make it a lot more manageable and like to make the parting neater. And then this is shea butter, and I use shea butter to like soften my hair. After washing my hair, I just put in shea butter, and it makes my hair a lot like really soft. To part, you're going to need a parting comb. Let's just call it that. You're going to need a parting comb, and to comb your hair, a white tooth comb. Anyone will do. Mine is broken, but anyone will do. But this is very important. You're going to need a parting comb. So yeah, let me show you guys how to begin the whole process. So yeah, this is the kinky extension. I'm going to bring out some of them because I just like to have all the hair down. So I'm going to pause and start. So I'm just going to keep everything out. In a single bundle comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 5. We have 5 pieces in a single bundle. So we're just going to like take out all these bands and then have them like out. So twisting, we don't have to like stop twisting just because the hair is not separated. So I'm just going to do that. So I'm going to take the extension and then fold it a lot more than half. So like let's say 3/4, and then we'll add to it. So I'll fold it up to 3/4, and then I'm going to hold it with the root of my hair, and then we're just going to begin to twist so we get that length that we want. You're going at the root, you're going to twist it not too tight but tightly, so it doesn't come off or get loose. So tightly wrap it around like 2 or 3 times, and then begin to go down, but not as tight. So you just begin to release tension, so you have that faux lock look. So you begin to go down. Now you can see that the hair, we've come to almost the end of the hair. So you just take another piece of hair and add to it. So you just fold the tip, that part that's really straight, fold it and add to the hair at the point where the other one ends. So you have this, hold it in like so, and then twist. So you twist over it, twist a little tightly so it doesn't start coming off, and then twist loosely like before. So you keep going like that down to the end of the hair. So you have something that's thick, because that's how I want the lock to be. I want it to be quite thick. So you keep going down. Don't wrap too tightly or else you're going to like have something thin and it won't look like locks. So I want it to be somewhere around here. So I'm going to keep going. And then once I get to the bottom, I'm going to wrap with the existing one, and then I'll wrap it back up. And then once you get to the end, just do it this way. Then put it at the root of your hair. And you're going to want to like hold it tightly so you don't have a loose lock that ends up coming off. So once you get to like the root of your hair, you want to begin to start twisting. And then start twisting. Hold it tightly or else you have a really loose lock. Another one. I'm going to take another extension. Begin to wrap. So put it down. This part, put it down like this, right? And then wrap. So the part that, the tiny piece that was remaining, hold that down and wrap like you were doing before. Twist, 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 twist. Like so. Twist it back up. Keep going until there's no hair left to twist. You keep twisting and then you do like this. So everything stays in place. I'm definitely going to need the scissors. So you got your lock. This is 12:28 p.m. Let's see how long it takes me to finish around my head. Finished the first pack, and there's just one piece left, which will obviously not be enough for one. So, and I've not like finished half of my head. There are still 2 twists left to be done with half of my head. So fingers crossed. I just hope it's enough. Honestly, I hope this tutorial was of help. This was my first time doing a short hairstyle, and I'm actually happy with the result. I'm really happy with the results. I've never done short, bob, and everything that I do is usually like behind my back or above my butt, but today I did like shoulder length hairstyle, and I'm really happy with it. So I hope this tutorial was of help, and if it was and you liked the whole vibe, because I did, if you did, please drop a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, then hit the little notification bell besides the subscribe button, so you are notified immediately I drop like a new video